Hey guys, Sarah here, Josie's here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play for October 2019. This box is $10 a month. You get 5 skincare, hair care, makeup samples, and then you also get 50 Beauty Insider points to add to your Sephora.com account, or you can use them in store as well. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of everything so I'll figure out how much each sample is worth. What do you have, sir? I didn't even know that thing still squeaked. So I break down the value of the box down there. Sorry, he found a toy that he just discovered still squeaks, so he's a little bit excited. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so when you have the box open, it looks just like this. This little bag right here will have all of our goodies in it. And then this little card right here should have the theme for the month, as well as the information on all the products. So this theme this month looks like the joy of complexion. That's what that looks like it says. That's interesting too. So normally this little card right here would have our Beauty Insider points, but it looks like it's just a coupon code, or like coupon, for 20% off any foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB, or CC cream purchase. That's kind of crap. Anyways, that's just my thought. I don't know why they got rid of the Beauty Insider points. I don't know if that's just for this month or if that's just like a new thing they're gonna do. Should be interesting. Alright, so let's see. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is this little card right here. So this is the BeautyBlender Bounce Long Wear Foundation. And it looks like it's just a foil packet sort of thing. I don't know if that 3.25 it says right there is the color. Not sure. Oh, yeah, that is the color. So it does have all the colors right there, so it's pretty decent shade range. Oh, here it is. So here's what it looks like. Looks like it might be a good color for me. I will have to definitely give this a try. BeautyBlender, I believe, is cruelty-free as well. So, got that. Alright, the next thing I am pulling out is from Moroccanoil, which is cruelty-free. This is the Night Body Serum. Interesting, so it's just that. And then in here is actually the, I assume it's some sort of oil, since it's called Moroccanoil. I'm going to go ahead and give it a sniff. Has the slightest scent, but it's not like overpowering. Interesting. I do like oils on my body, but this seems like a really thick oil. Normally I use like the oils that are like spray, like a dry oil spray. I'm not sure how I'd feel about putting just like goopy oil on overnight. I don't know. I'll have to give it a try though. Alright. This is interesting. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Just that. I have used this before. I do like it a lot, and I'm actually just about out, so I'm excited to get a little sample to tide me over until I want to purchase it again. So excited to get that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Makeup Forever. This is the Matte Velvet Skin. Here it is right there. Mine is in the shade Y315. Makeup Forever is not cruelty-free, so I won't be using this. But there it is. The shade seems like it would be good for me. I can't really tell totally from inside there, but I won't be using that, which is sad because I actually really liked their foundations when I was using things that were tested on animals. So, but then again, I don't like a matte finish, so I probably wouldn't have used this anyway. So, got that. There's a lot of foundation in here. Alright, the next thing I have is from Smashbox. This is the Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. There it is right there. I have used this before. I can't remember if I liked it or not though, but it looks like it's like a silicone based primer. It's funny to see ingredients. See saleable product. Okay. But yeah, I probably will give this a try. Generally, I don't love silicone primers, but I don't hate them. They're okay. So I definitely will use this. This is a little tiny sample. Smashbox is cruelty free, if I did not mention that. Alright. Got another foundation. This is the third foundation. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. So there's that. They gave me the shade Light Medium Sand, which is 27S. Which I wonder, because I actually own this, I wonder what color I normally use. Let me check. Okay, so this is the one I normally use. It's in light, medium, neutral. I tend to have neutral undertones, so I don't go for things that are too yellow or too pink or any other sort of undertone you can have. I just like a neutral undertone. This is kind of adorable though. Look at the baby. Look at the mama. I can already tell this is way too yellow for me. I'm not sure if you can tell side by side, but you can see like in person, this is way more neutral. This is way more yellow. So maybe in the summer I could use this when I have more of a tan, but definitely not right now. This is one of the colors that I feel is like a true match for my skin. Like it's one of the ones that I put on, it's like, that's my skin color. So, I mean, it's close enough. It's close enough that I could put it on and I could powder and do all that stuff and it wouldn't look too weird. That way I could get a feel for if I really, really liked the foundation. The one thing I will tell you about this foundation that I don't enjoy is that it's a dropper. So, and you have to shake it. It's like super liquidy if you don't shake it. And it's just that. So it's like a little dropper. It's not the worst thing, it's just not my favorite sort of thing. I'd much prefer a pump. So I should also mention that Tarte is cruelty free in case you did not know. So yeah, I have a primer, I have 3 foundations, 1 setting spray, and then the body oil. It's kind of weird. Why would they send 3 foundations? I would love to know what you guys think about this. To me, it's a little bit strange. I don't know. I'm just sort of surprised by it all. I'd also love to know your thoughts on the coupon. My thought, I guess, is that they want you to try one of these 3 foundations and then use this to purchase one. But yeah, I'm not a fan of getting 3 foundations in one box. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.